If you're interested in adoption in Texas, here's a general overview of the steps that it entails. The first step is choosing what type of adoption you would like to do. Texas offers various adoption types, including domestic, international, and step-parent adoptions. Each type of adoption will require you to take specific steps and procedures. The second step will be gathering important documents you will need. Adoption involves lots of paperwork. You'll need things like birth certificates, criminal background checks, financial records, and more. Consult with your attorney to figure out exactly what you need for your case. The third step is filing a petition for the adoption. You will file your petition with the court, which will initiate the legal process, and you may need to do things such as home studies and interviews with the adoption agency. The fourth step is attending court hearings. Depending on your specific case, you may need to attend court hearings to determine the best interest of the child. And the court will decide if you, as the adoptive parent, and the child are a good match. The fifth step is finalizing the adoption. Once approved by the court, you'll receive an order granting the adoption, finalizing the process. Then it's time to celebrate because you are now the legal parent of your adoptive child. Remember, adoption is a journey that will require legal expertise. Consulting with an experienced attorney is essential. For personalized legal guidance tailored to your specific situation, feel free to contact Varghese Summersett Family Law Group. You can reach us at 817-900-3220. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.